Hey, for you guys into pallet projects, I'm going to show you how to pull your nails and reuse your nails from these things. It's really great. So you can get your wood here for your projects from the pallet, but some of them have some really nice nails that come out of them. I'll show you the best way to do it. Yeah, for instance, if you look at these, this is all some kind of, I mean, I just want to say they're stainless steel. They're definitely, they don't rust, so they might be even some kind of fancier metal in there, but I'm going to just say that there's some kind of stainless for now. But man, these are really good. And then so I'll show you how to get these out the easiest way. I'll just use a regular claw hammer and then something for some leverage. You can even use another piece of wood, but just put this here. If you were just to stick your claw hammer on there, these nails are too hard to get out. Right? You can get them out, but this is so much easier. Using a little block of wood, they'll just come right out. And they're straight too, you know, fairly straight. And it's great, you know, for a project like this, you know, get your wood off of there, and then sometimes they'll come with little brackets and stuff on it too that you can reuse. Even this one, let's pull this one out. Let's pull this crooked one out straight. Perfect, good enough to reuse. So as you can see, this is just from one pallet. I got all these good nails right here.